If you haven't seen the toilet before with multiple features like heated seats, warm water spray and many more, then this video is definitely made for you. Watch the video till end. Japan's high-tech toilets are more elaborate than toilets commonly found in other developed countries. These toilets have many advanced features rarely seen outside of Japan. The modern Japanese toilet has many advanced features. It includes heated seats, warm water spray, different angles of spray, automatic flush, automatic lid, glows automatically, air dryer, and play music to relax. More than 70% of Japanese homes have these modern toilets. Here is a demo of modern Japanese toilet. Japanese toilets are automated and convenient with remote control just like other remotes. There are two types of controls. One is attached to the side of the washlet and another one attached to the wall. Here we have three big buttons. This one means oshiri, means back or butt. If you want your back to be clean, so press this button. And once you are done, press this button. It means stop. And another one is for women. There are some other buttons also. Here you can adjust the pressure of water. And this means weak and strong, front and back, and some more. These two buttons are very important ones. This sign means chisai, means small, and this means oki, means big. They are for flushing. This is for small and for big flush. There are many different types of flushes. It's not always button. It can also be a handle or light indicator sensor. There is one more control panel attached to the washlet. Here we can control the temperature of seat and temperature of water. The seat heating feature is very comfortable, especially in winter. Here you can press the button, then the nozzle will come out and you can clean the nozzle. The nozzle also automatically cleans itself before and after each use. One of the great things about this toilet is, if you press the button and don't sit on that, then what will happen? It will not start because it has sensors. Here I put some weight, now you can see the nozzle is coming out. Here is another type of toilet with sink. Now if I flush the toilet, the water will come out to wash hands. The water will go down and it will be recycled for next toilet. It seemed like a waste of water to just flush the toilet. They utilized it for washing hands. People flush twice or more to cover up embarrassing sounds. That means in single visit of toilet, the average person uses 32.5 liters of water. To cut down on water use, toilet makers came up with new device, the sound of running water or music. It is operated by a sensor or a button. Some toilets glow in the dark, so even in the middle of the night you could use the restroom. And recently I have seen some toilets which you can control through your mobile app. Some models specially designed for elderly, which may include armrest and back support. Some toilets are provided with an emergency call button. It is intended to be used by the people with disabilities or in case you need special assistance. Recently, researchers have added medical sensors into these toilets, which can measure the blood sugar based on the urine and can also measure the pulse, blood pressure and body fat content of the user. However, these devices are still very rare in Japan. Their future commercial success is difficult to predict. A voice-operated toilet that understands verbal commands is under development. Modern Japanese toilets use less water than other toilets. They also reduce the use of toilet paper. If you want to know more about Japan and want me to make a new video on a certain topic, then please comment below. I'll try to make video on that. Please subscribe my channel and thank you so much for watching.